Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January the 1st, 2019, and we came down to check on our sauerkraut to see about having some with our New Year's lunch today. So, we just took the lid off, and we have the bag on top. Now you'll want to scrape off any mold that you see growing on it. And there's actually nothing really even on this one here.
That's a good seal.
That's a good seal that we got from that bag. And we're gonna start getting it out here.
Okay. A little discoloration there. I should have something else to put it in.
Let me go get you something.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're taking off the discolored sauerkraut. So anything that's discolored, you just want to take it out and get rid of it.
It's not much, just around the edges.
Not too much, it's mostly just around the edges. But this smells really good. There's some of the sauerkraut there.
You can hear it. Just been full. This is the first it was open since we put it away. We never checked it. That's going to be plenty for our dinner.
So we got it here. This is going to be for our dinner here. Now we're putting the bag back over the top, making sure that it seals for us.
Yep.
So now we used, oopsies. And we're going to put the lid back on it. Got to clean off. You want to clean off all of the sauerkraut if you got any on, like the lid for the seal or anywhere around the bucket. You want to make sure that you clean that all off.
Good enough.
Close it up here.
That's a little bit we lost.
And this
well, we
is
didn't really lose that, but
the little bit here that we scraped off. And it was discolored, so we're just going to get rid of that. And this is our other bucket of...
that's the old one.
Oh, that's the old one? Okay. So we have the other ones back there in the other corner. This is a previous one here.
That's from years ago.
Okay, this is from well, actually 2 years. It'll be 2 years ago now. So we brought this upstairs, and now you can see it in the daylight. And that other bucket from 2 years ago, that's still good. Now, where we have our sauerkraut at, it's dark and it's nice and cool in the area where it's located at. And the cabbage that we used the Brunswick cabbage. We used Copenhagen Early Market. We used the Premium Late Flat Dutch. That one was really good. And then we also used the Red Acre cabbage. That's in the other bucket. That actually made the sauerkraut purple. But very pleased with how well it turned out. It smells really good. How's it taste? It tastes really good too.
Can go a little longer.
Okay. So it's going to keep fermenting as it sits.
I sealed that tight.
And
that's good.
So we're putting it in our kettle over here, and we're going to have this along with our New Year's lunch. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.